Hello guys, we're on our way to Samphire Hoe today on a journey for wrasse and maybe some conger that might fancy a midday snack, because we all know that congers and wrasse love to live in little rocks and nooks and crannies, and if a conger woke up smelling fish, I'm pretty sure they'd love a little midday snack. So I'm very excited. I got up in the morning because of how excited I was, because wrasse and conger seems like a good combination, don't you think, Dan? Oh, looks like we're here, guys. Look at all those little rook castles. It's like a real life chess game.
Welcome to Samphire Hoe.
Yay, new place. That's scary.
It's exciting, isn't it?
It is exciting, but it's also a bit scary of how steep it was. It's like how the Eurostar is. It just feels so weird. It feels like we're going vertically down. Oh look, I think that's the Eurostar or something like that.
It probably is.
Yeah. Good place for train spotters. Look at the horizon. Oh, here comes one.
Oh, yeah.
I think that's a javelin. We're gonna see it go through the... It's a electro star.
I'm going to buy your fishing ticket at the kiosk. Right, you wait here, I'll go and do that.
I'll be looking for adders. Not in the grass. Don't worry. Eurasian skylark. Yeah, I see it as well. Lovely call they do have, ain't? Yeah. There's another one, there are two. No wonder it's a wildlife reserve. You know, because if they have adders, it seems like a very wild place. I didn't expect it to look like this. Looks like something from Star Wars. It's like we're raiding the big mothership. I think that guy might have something. Let's see. No, he doesn't have anything. I think he was just snagged. Right, let's get a rod set up. Is my quick release on?
Your quick release is on.
Oh.
It was a very aggressive bite.
Oh, it's a wrasse!
Is it?
Yeah. Right, get in there.
I know, you don't need a net for that bang, just crack up.
Come on, don't fall. My first ever wrasse. It's female. Oh, that's a lovely looking.
Put it back, put it down, sir.
First cast.
Very good, Ben.
Are they spiky?
They are very spiky, yeah.
I swear if he... Oh, he's nicely hooked stuff. Oh, God. Hey, no. He's got sharp teeth. There we go. I'm going to name this one Blowfield.
Hey, Ben, you know what? That was the first fish on your new rod.
Oh, yeah, I forgot! Oh, yeah!
There you go. Not bad fish for the.
Yeah.
Not bad fish to christen the rod with, is it?
Yeah.
First wrasse.
Good girl.
First wrasse on the new rod.
Are you happy, girl? Alright guys, going to cast out, see if I can catch more wrasse. Alright guys, well, we are just cast out again, see if something takes again. This time put all different baits on all 3 hooks. One has squid, one has blow lug, and one has ragworm. So let's see which combination they'll go for. Dad's got something?
Well, I don't know if I've got... Yeah, I have, yeah.
That is a nice ballon. No, it's cork ring,
Yeah, that was on the rag.
Yeah, seeming like they like the rag done.
They definitely do. Have you seen the teeth?
Yeah, I have. I saw the other teeth on the other one. It kind of scared me.
Yeah. You good?
Yeah. Oh, look at that! Look at that punk haircut it's got. Look at that punk fin it's got. That you've got a nice one. Why is he staring at me like that?
I don't know, because he's going, put me in the water. Right, what's the snack of the day today, Ben?
Chicken skewers gum.
Chicken skewers. Did we decide that this was the best fishing snack?
Yeah.
I have gone for the Ginster's Cornish pasty. Guaranteed to bring bites.
Snag me.
Are you snagged?
Yeah. We lost everything. Okay, no biggie. We knew we were going to lose some rigs over here. It's very snaggy over here, especially when you're going for fish like wrasse. But it happens, but it's no problem. On.
Yeah?
Yeah. Oh, it's a wrasse.
Oh, yeah.
Is that a flatty or a wrasse? Yay, ballon! How's the ballon wrasse?
He's got the red eyes going.
Yeah. This Tanner's got a big blubber.
Very good.
Time to do some skydiving. Time to do your agent fish. So guys, this place used to be water, but after the Channel Tunnel was built to connect train routes to other countries like France and Amsterdam and Belgium, they ended up having to fill this up, and it ended up becoming a big pier thingy. Well, it's not a pier, but then it became a wildlife reserve after that, which is really cool. So there's literally trains going underneath us as well. Might even be able to feel the vibration. Probably not though. But that's the story of how this place was made. Right, so my dad caught this, and a big one. It's cute though.
Let's get the hook out. Do you want to go back?
Yeah. Alright guys. Right guys, I've got a nice mackerel tail here. Spot for the congers. I'm gonna do this, and when we've done that, we're going to grab a bait elastic and we're going to whirl it up around it. Yeah. Alright. Look good to you guys? Now I've got to wait for the monster conger to see that. Oh.
You're a massive bait. I've got a bite.
Nice. Is that on your conger?
We need to be careful here.
Oh, yeah, yeah. Yeah, something big. On?
Don't worry about the net. Yeah, I got something.
I think you've got a small conger.
It's heavy. Yeah.
Oh, the conger! No!
He came off.
No!
Oh no, he's still there. Oh, is he? No, he came off.
You actually had a conger on there! I told you they'd I told you they'd want a midday snack.
Yeah. That's good, isn't it?
Well, my strategy works. Midday snack.
Yeah.
Hi guys, I'm really happy that I managed to catch my first fish on the rod, and it was my first wrasse as well, cork ring wrasse. And my dad had a conger but lost it. But I'm so happy because I managed to catch 2 species of wrasse on the ballan and cork ring. And they're very nice. They're very similar. Some of them had sif eyes, which was very scary. I didn't manage to catch 007, the cuckoo wrasse though. We managed to get 8 fish, 5 wrasse. So my dad got 3, I got 2, half a conger.
Yeah.
The guy next to us managed to catch a conger though. I was in the toilet at the time though, so I didn't get to see. Oh yeah, the snagginess. I lost 1 rig and my leader, but so what? It was just once, and it was bound to happen. They said they were catching bass down there. We didn't manage to catch a bass, but we're gonna wrap it up here. But if any of you've been to Samphire Hoe, but if you haven't, I recommend coming here. Beware, you sometimes need to pay about £4 for a ticket. But it's my first time coming here, and overall it's a 10 out of 10. So I recommend coming here, guys. Bye, thanks for watching. Subscribe now.